Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I've just got my first influencer box and here I have it with me. As you can see, for those who don't know, Influencer is a beauty app where you will go and subscribe. Everything gets free, and you will do your reviews on makeup products, on food and beverages, on products for your baby or for your pets. I think you can do also a review on home decoration, on different accessories. It's insane. And by getting some points through reviews and also by adding your social media accounts, I have Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and I think I do have Facebook as well linked there. But anyways, you just get these points. You can upload like pictures with the reviews that you're doing, and at some point they will send you an email telling you that in a few months you will be receiving your first influencer box. And what you have to do is actually do a review on this product that you will be getting, and by doing that, you will get more points. It will help you, in the future to get more boxes from them. But anyways, I will be linking everything down below with more details for you. So now I'll move to my box, and as you can see, I've got products from OPI, a brand specialized on nail products. So here we have it. What do I get here? I have a small card, and on the back it's written actually in German because I do live at the moment in Germany. So I will translate that for you. It says to go to my influencer profile and check my OPI Voxbox, then to test the product and just write a review for influencer, and then to go to Instagram at OPI_Deutschland and hashtag OPI Tokyo and post there a picture with my products. Okay, so now here we have the nail polishes, and I have 4 of them. Okay, so I have a beautiful pink kind of purple-ish shade, and this one, it's called Another Romantic Evening. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Then I have this beautiful kind of orangey shade. It's beautiful now for the summer. And this one, it's called Temperature is Rising, like temperature, something like that. Just see how it's written. Insane. Okay, now the next one, it's a primer. This one is just clear, as you can see. It says to be a base coat. And the next one is actually a top coat. After you applied your nail polish, you're just going to apply that to give this glossy effect. So now I'm just going to try them, and I'll take my nail polish off. For that, I will use just a normal nail polish. I'll take this one from Essence. It's super nice and super easy to use. Really quick as well. You have here the sponge and some acetone. You just kind of clean your nails like that. Okay, so now I will be testing the nail polishes as well, the base and the top coat. Okay guys, so now let's try them. I will apply first the base and just give it a good shake. So after I let the base to dry for a few minutes, I'll go in and use this beautiful pink mauvey shade. Now till it dries, I'll use on my other nails this nail polish. Okay, and now after I let that dry as well, I will go in with a glossy finish on top of the nail polish. Okay guys, so you've seen me apply the nail polish and here you have the final result. Both are super beautiful now in the summertime. I mean, you can also use it like that, you know. Here the pink one and here the orange one if you want, or I don't know, do crazy combinations. They're super easy to apply. I've only applied one coat and just see how beautiful it covered my nails. And as you saw in the video, I've used the base first, then I went with these two nail polishes, and then at the end I've used the glossy finish just to make the nails look pretty, you know, glossy. Okay, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again I'm super excited that I've got my first Vox box from Influenster, and I do hope more to come. As always, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about these nail polishes, what you guys think about the colors that I've received, and if you have them, if you ever tried them, if you want to try them and stuff like that. And yeah, as always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.